go there and make use of it. And I give you all the blessings of all the Fijians, here and abroad. All your grandparents, your parents, all your sisters and brothers, everybody in Fiji. We all wish you well, and we know that you will acquit yourself and surprise a lot of people. I am quietly confident that this team is going to do well in the World Cup. And I am not the only one. I want to tell you that. Not the only one. So, good luck. God bless. But whatever you do, enjoy yourself while you're there. Enjoy the camaraderie of the other rugby players who are there. I look forward to the matches when they do take place. Good luck. Another word.